Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Magnus, and in today's video, I'm just going to show you a bit difference how you can do the Python script. So the last Python script, we did actually have the specific object within the script itself. This is not really efficient. So instead of having like the objects that you want to create within the script, you can have a script that is referring to a specific file. So this still don't have like integration with like a CMDB such as Netbox or similar, but you can export a file from some sort of CMDB or some sort of inventory system to like, yeah, I want to export all these servers, all these networks, all these IP addresses or whatever, and I want to add them within my object database within Checkpoint. And then it's easier to have a CSV file. And after this step, then you can do some integration. But this is a great step to speed things up a bit. So this file is referring to, or this script is referring to like collect the data from this file. And you are looking for these sort of variables. So for example, within the test file CSV, we have host. And this is the same as name, because Checkpoint's API is referring to name. So this is required. Same as IP address. But your file itself, it doesn't need to include these names as long as you can do some sort of translation. So in this file, we have the name, the IP address, and color. So the file, it looks like this. So just a comma separated file, and we will add all these objects. So these are the headlines, and this is the objects themselves. And this is how it's made within the script. And one additional thing that is added within the script is also so the script itself log out from the checkpoint. If you don't log out after you have published and installed the policy, you will have open sessions. So this is something that you need to like remove as well. So this is the script itself. So if we do like this, so as you see here, these are the test hosts that we will add in color gold. I hope it exists. I think it did. So it will not add any rules. It will not do anything fancy. So to say, it will just add these servers or these objects within this database. So let's run it. And hopefully they come up here. So here is our host that we have just added. And you see they are created from the API user. And now it's doing the installation of the policy. So that's quite a lot faster than to add the objects manually. And I don't need to log in to the management CLI, transfer files or whatever. I can have this all on my local computer. If your computer is allowed to use the management API on the management station. But I just wanted to show you something before we start with some cool integrations and start with some, let's call it templates. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.